Hey guys, so something really exciting happened today. I got a package that I've been waiting for a very long time, and it's really exciting that it's finally here. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. It's going to be so freaking awesome. Oh my god! Oh my lord, you guys are so lucky that my dog put this here. You would have died if that wasn't there. Oh my goodness, that was so crazy. So let's all say thank you to my dog for saving your life.
Thank you, dog.
So here it is, and you probably already get what it is from the title. But we're gonna open it, and it's gonna be really exciting because I waited so long. Because I ordered this from the deepest, darkest depth of the universe possible, and it finally got here, and I'm so excited. So let's get to it. So this is what the figure is supposed to look like, and I'm really excited because it looks freaking awesome. This looks like freaking weed or cocaine that I've ordered somewhere. But I'm sure it's gonna be grand, so let's just get to it. Probably not the best idea since the figure is like right there. I'll be more careful. Oh, for f***'s sake, I caught myself. I freaking caught myself. Stupid. Okay, we can see her now. It's looking a bit sketchy already. Just more and more packaging. Could you not? Crazy people packages this. Well, I mean aliens, because it's from the universe. Let's get it out of that cocoon and see how bad it's gonna be. Alright. It's obviously Japanese. And it looks good, but it also looks like a complete knockoff. But I'm hoping it just looks somewhat decent. The package, get away from me. The package is slightly damaged, as you can see, but look at the picture. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that cut. Oh my goodness. Blood everywhere. Disgusting. Alright, we should be better now. So here she is. And this is the back with all of those pictures. Look at her face. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. I just love her so much. I'm scared to look at the figure because I'm afraid it'll be bad. But let's just do it. Okay, let's take a look at the figure. Well, that's not too bad, is it? It seems like the colors are right at least. I don't think that's too bad. Look! I don't know if I'm completely blurry right now, but I think that's quite good. I'm gonna open this up. I'm really excited about this. She looks good for what it is, because, like I said, this is from space. So let's get to opening her, and I'm gonna take her out. So it seems that aliens are also very fond of TRACER, which is understandable because she's amazing. I mean, why wouldn't you love her? Are you crazy? She's so gorgeous. Why would you not love her? I say that in a completely platonic way. Like, I love her so much, but I'm not in love with her. Does that make any sense? Like, I don't know. I don't want to come across as some hungry, thirsty lesbian for her, because that's not what it's about. I just love her as a character because, oh my goodness. Alright, I'm taking it out now. I'm just talking too much about TRACER, and I just, you know, I don't even care. If she was real, maybe I would try that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Don't take my word for it. I'm completely intoxicated by this right now. Alright, so the box is the Taster box. We've seen that. It's not the best. Here she is. Oh my goodness. And she has more faces. And she has the guns. She has the tiny guns. And is that a bomb? She has the bomb too? I think that's the bomb. That's so sick. That's so crazy. So these are taped down. These are taped down. And I think, oh, she's not taped down. She's coming out. I can't believe I'm touching her. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm touching TRACER. Tiny TRACER! Oh my god, look at her! Oh, she's so cute. Her legs kind of bend a bit too much, aren't they? Oh my god, there we go. Yes. Oh my god, she can even bend her little toes! She can bend her little toes! Oh my god, look, the toe! That's so awesome! Oh my goodness. This is her angry face. We can't get that, can we? No, you probably can't tell. Well, this is her angry face. She's very, very angry. I mean, not angry, maybe just more focused. Here's the gun. One of them. So tiny and cute. Look at that. The details are actually quite good. They're quite good. This is a happy face. You can probably tell that she's smiling here. She's cute. I'm pretty sure that's a bomb. It looks like it. I don't know what it says. It says G on it. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure it looks like that's what she would throw. Maybe. So we can take her face off now, I think. Okay. And here it comes. That's the face. And yeah, she doesn't have a face. So I want to go with the happy one because it's just, she's so cute. I mean, you can't even understand how cute she looks. Happy Tracer. Looks a little bit disturbing, but it's Happy Tracer. Right, so let's take a look at the posability. Because regardless where she's from, you still get the overall same posability as you would get the one you bought from Earth. So here we are. So her head can turn whichever way you want it. It can turn just fine. And she can bend her chest also. See? Like that. Very good. And then she can move her arms, of course. She can be T-posing. And her joint here, her elbow joint, goes as well. And of course her arms, her hands spins all the way around. And then, of course, on the other side as well. Very good. Very good. Look at the details on her back. Look at that. That's just her reactor right there. And it's just, it's really good. It's really, really good. And her booty as well is also very good. But that was never really in question, was it? Again, I go with the gay stuff. I swear. It's not like that. It's just, it's Tracer. Okay? Don't come and tell me that you don't love Tracer. Okay, so her face just fell off. Right, so her torso can move like that. Her hips can't really move. Torso moves. Her hips, it doesn't have a joint here. There's no joint. Move your arm, please, Tracer, my love. There, you can't move that. That's just stuck on there because of detail, I think. I'm pretty sure. But her thighs, however, can go all the way, woo, into a split, I actually think. More or less, at least. And they can go forward as well. So what's really cool is actually that her strap here is actually rubber. It's rubber. It's not stuck. You can actually move that right there. It's not just painted on. So when she moves her leg, as you can see, that thing moves because it actually is like a harness, which is really, really cool. That's so cool. And of course the freaking shoes can do that as well. And the freaking toes can do it as well, which is crazy. And also really nice details just on the bottom of her foot. Like, that's so crazy. So that is so freaking cool. I mean, she has so much mobility. And she comes with extra hands and guns and stuff, so she can hold her guns and everything. And that's just so crazy. Look at that. Look at her, she's so cute. She's ready to fight. She was definitely worth the wait because she's awesome. She even has the freaking Tracer on her. Perfectly Tracer. Oh my god, look at that! She's doing it! She's doing it! It's so good! Oh my goodness! Here we are. She has the guns now. Look at that. They fit quite well actually, and you can just post them. It's a pretty sturdy joint that this one has, so that's a good thing. That's a very nice thing. But for the most part, I'm also just gonna be holding her and cuddling her and sleeping next to her. I changed back to the casual one, casual face, and she has love. So really, really good. I really love this figure. It's great to have something that's Tracer. And even if it is from the Andromeda Galaxy, I still like her. I still think she's quite alright. I'm quite pleased with her. I actually really like her. I think she's so good. The colors are right, and that's what I was most concerned about, that there would be some completely missed color, but this is just so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, loves!